All right, just wanted to do a quick overview of the Ridetech Coilovers for the S550. These are the level 2, so they're referred to as the HQ or high quality. They're single adjustable damping for rebound. Here's the knob for the rebound adjustment on the front end. Notice that you have a billet strut mount. It's really nice that that's included. Here you've got your strut, which has uses stock bolt on the bottom of the spindle and then a camber bolt on top. I developed a specific fitment on the Turtle, my 2016 5.0, and we're applying that to this car, forward thinking. This car is going to be low, it's going to be aggressive with handling, going to have some very wide forge lines, and we did a specific spring package for the really wide tires and for the handling. So basically we have 7-inch front and rear springs. The rears are 700, the fronts are 500. Here is your adjustment knob on the rear. Notice one of the things that you get when you go with the short spring is that the spring collar is pretty high on the shock body. And the reason why we do that is to try to keep it away from the axle so that it doesn't have any clearance issues if you were to go with a bigger axle. Ford Racing axle, G-Force, whatever. So anyway, short stiff springs, 7-inch, 700 in the back. Oh, notice here the Ridetech shock mount. Instead of 2 bolts like the stock one, this has 4 bolts. There's, one on each side down there on the bottom here. That basically reinforces the shock mounting place. Since now instead of just a shock, we have a spring. That's like bearing the load of the car. So that's what that's there for. Same deal up front, what I was telling you about the really short spring. See how high it is up on the strut. Lots of tire clearance when we put, they're 19 by 11 fronts and 19 by 12 rear, the fitment that we came up with Forgeline. So that's it. These coilovers have 24 clicks of adjustment. They are, the handling is just amazing. I mean, it really is. They're excellent coilovers. Totally daily drivable, but track capable. So yeah, I think that map right now is like $26.95 for the set. I don't know. You can call UPR and get pricing on those, and we can get you set up. Well, that's it. I guess one thing I want to point out is that if you went really soft with the damping and really soft with the springs, you get a very reasonable ride quality. I'm pretty stiff on the adjustment of the damping and pretty stiff on the springs. So this is not a ride quality setup. This is a handling setup, but the handling is, truly amazing. But yeah, you have some versatility there with coilovers that you can't get with just a conventional spring and factory style strut and shock replacement. So that's it. Ridetech HQ Coilovers for S550 Mustangs. If you have any questions, give us a call at UPR. We can get you taken care of.